dumpster rental service in Sugar Hill, Georgia. Cleanup projects can be stressful, but with our dumpster rental service in Sugar Hill, Georgia, it doesn't have to be. At North Point Dumpsters, we bring ease and efficiency to every job, regardless of size. We offer durable, affordable dumpsters ideal for everything from spring cleaning to construction debris. Our bins come in multiple sizes, so you'll always get the perfect fit. Scheduling with us is quick and painless, just a few clicks or a quick phone call, and we'll handle the rest. Our team delivers and picks up on time, every time. Our goal is to make your experience seamless from start to finish. With transparent pricing and no surprise fees, we make sure you always know what you're getting. It's a dependable service you can trust. We're proud to support homeowners, contractors, and businesses throughout Sugar Hill with our trusted waste solutions. Our dumpsters are well maintained and always ready when you need them. If you're unsure what size dumpster you need, we'll explain your options and help you choose the best one. Call us at 470-983-1028 and see how easy it is to start. Let us take the stress out of your cleanup so you can focus on the work that matters most.